Witam kochani.
Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a treatment called Larens Pro Lift. It's a treatment that lifts, deeply nourishes and additionally moisturizes the skin. You don't need any equipment because this treatment is done manually and ends with the application of an amazing Larens mask, which I'll talk about later. I'll start with removing makeup. To do that, I'll use micellar lotion. The client's eyes are closed. I hold it against the eyelashes. In the first stage, I want to remove the mascara. When eye makeup is removed, I wipe the whole face, neck and cleavage with the micellar lotion to remove all skin impurities. The next product which will thoroughly cleanse the skin is face milk. I'll emulsify a small amount of this product in my hands, apply it to the client's skin and massage it gently. I then wipe off the product with a warm, damp cloth. In this way, I remove all makeup. Then I tone the skin. In this way, I prepare it for the application of a product that will increase the permeability of the epidermis. This time, the product that will increase the permeability is deep peeling. It's a combination of two acids, the pyruvic and mandelic acid. After the application of this product, we need to use a neutralizer because it significantly lowers the pH level of the skin. I apply a thin layer with a brush on the whole treatment area. Since this product is only supposed to increase the permeability of the epidermis, I keep it on the skin for 2 to 3 minutes. After this time, I wash deep peeling off with water. Or rather, a damp face cloth. The skin has turned slightly red. The client can have a mild burning sensation right now. Deep peeling was removed. Now we need to remember to apply a neutralizer. Its pH level is 8, so it will quickly restore the skin's normal pH level. I apply it and massage it into the skin so that the product gets to every place and neutralizes the acids. Now I once again wipe the skin with a face cloth soaked in cool water and remove the rest of the neutralizer.
W chłodnej wodzie, domywając resztki neutralizatora.
If the skin is irritated or the client says that her skin is burning, I take the Peptide Serum and spray it all over the treatment area.
Całą skórę poddawaną zabiegowi.
The serum will soothe irritation that could have been caused by the acid. The next stage is to apply fish collagen peptides contained in Biopeptide Active Cocktail. You need to shake this product before use, squeeze the right amount to your hand, and massage it into the skin.
Smarować w skórę.
I keep massaging it until the skin starts sticking to my gloves. It stimulates the skin and collagen synthesis.
Dzięki temu stymulujemy jej pracę, pobudzamy syntezę kolagenu.
This process is the beginning of the first stage of our massage. In a moment, I'll give the client a massage using a massaging oil which smells wonderful.
Do masażu.
The client may feel that her skin is gently sticking to my hands. It's not always pleasant, but it's very effective.
Ale bardzo skuteczne w działaniu.
Now that the skin has been prepared, it can be massaged gently. We can use two products: massage face cream or massage oil.
Oleju do masażu, oleje w naszych preparatach są.
Oil used in Larens Cosmetics is unrefined, so we can use it to give a facial massage. There are no contraindications. These cosmetics do not clog pores. They improve the lipid barrier and nourish the skin. The massage should not take more than 15 minutes. It shouldn't be too intensive. We should stroke and caress the skin rather than try to intensively stimulate it.
I pieszczenia tej skóry, a nie bardzo mocnego pobudzenia.
To finish off the massage, I gently tap on the skin. I remove excess oil with a damp face cloth.
Ściągamy wilgotną chustą kosmetyczną.
Now the skin is ready and I can apply Bio-Renew Tissue Face Mask.
Maskę BioRenew. Rozkładamy
I fold out the mask above the client's head.
ją nad głową klientki. I przekładamy.
I put it on her face.
Klientka w tej
Now the client will have a chilling sensation because her skin was stimulated by the massage.
Skóra jej jest zastymulowana po masażu, więc będzie odczuwała chłód. Żeby dokładnie dopasować
I tear the mask in the eye area to adjust it to the skin.
materiał maski w okolicach oczu, żeby bardzo dokładnie ją dopasować. Za jakieś 3-4
After 3
minuty
to 4 minutes, the
skóra
client's skin will become warm
zacznie
and she may have a mild burning
chwilę
sensation.
jeszcze większe rozgrzanie i może
But after about
kilka
15 minutes, these
po
symptoms
około
will
15
subside.
minutach oba te objawy zaczną ustępować. Na szyję i na dekolt
I'll apply lifting
nałożę
cream mask to the neck
lifting
and
cream
cleavage.
mask, czyli maskę
I
liftingującą
don't have to use a
kremem.
brush
Nie muszę tego
because I can do it manually.
bardzo mogę to zrobić z dłoni. Pozostawiam
I leave the mask on for 20
na
minutes.
20 minut z maską. Zawarte w niej
Active
substancje
ingredients in the mask, primarily bioplacenta and biopeptide complex, are penetrating the skin and nourishing it from the inside,
odżywiają
at the same time stimulating collagen
mocno od
synthesis.
zewnątrz, stymulując syntezę kolagenu. Ściągamy maskę.
I take the mask off, and we can see straight away how smooth and bright the skin has become.
Wyjaśniała. Chustę nawilżoną w ciepłej wodzie.
I use a damp cloth soaked in warm water to wipe off the lifting mask, which was applied on the neck and cleavage.
I do zakończenia zabiegu używamy
To finish off the treatment, I use biopeptide face cream, which is used at the end of almost every Larens treatment to protect the skin against harmful environmental factors.
zabezpieczyć skórę przed złymi czynnikami środowiska zewnętrznego. Z tak zabezpieczoną skórą możemy wypuścić klienta.
Now that the skin is protected, I can let the client go home.
Dobrze byłoby, gdyby klientka w dniu dzisiejszym nie nakładała już makijażu.
It's a good idea for the client not to apply any makeup today. She should let her skin make the most of the benefits offered by active ingredients applied to her skin during this treatment. Thank you very much for being here with me today. I encourage you to watch my next presentations.